We are working for Continental Automotive Guadalajara, Mexico, and our team is the CVG's Continuous Improvement team.
Can you tell me a little bit about the project that you chose, why you chose it, what was the problem, and just a little bit of background on the project itself?
Yeah, of course. The project that we bring today to show today is Q. It's the improvement for commercial vehicles, small gauges that we have in Continental. We build instrument clusters. Those are for the automotive industry, and the gauges that we have has a requirement of hermeticity from the customer, and therefore we need to have a vessel press process to have this hermeticity. So we had problems with this process, and we have to apply 1 ton of pressure to bend the vessel and have our product finished. So we're having failures of broken parts. We have plastic parts and glasses. So the glass was breaking and the housing was breaking. And well, this project was these problems were the top offender in our organization. For 2 years or 3 years, we were not able to fix this problem. So we did some interesting things to be able to finally solve the situation.
And how long did the project take you from start to finish, to complete?
Well, if we include the first trials that we did to solve the problem, 2 or 3 years. I mean, when we realized that we need to do something different, when we need to try the different approach of the Six Sigma methodology, it was like 3 months, 4 months, and if we include the validation, that 1 year.
Wow. And through that period of time, 2 to 3 years, what were some of the things that you learned along the way as you were going through your project?
Well, first of all, that we need to think out of the box, and also we have to consider that there are not simple solutions, there are not simple problems. Sometimes if you face a problem that looks very, very simple, sometimes it is not. You have to look for the root cause, and you have to do a deep analysis, and you have to keep an open mind.
Great. So let's talk about the results. So what were the results, what were the accomplishments that you realized through this project?
Well, we were able to fully eliminate the failures that we had for 2 or 3 years, and with that we reduce and improve a lot of performance with the customers, and we were able to achieve the Packard and Freightliner Quality Award from them, and also we achieved $120,000 for savings, annual savings. And most of all, I think the whole team learned a lot for solution development and root cause analysis.
Fantastic. So there's hundreds of thousands of quality professionals that were, of course, not able to attend this event, but they'll have access to reviewing your PowerPoint presentation and actually seeing the work that you put together and be able to gain some knowledge from that. So can you think of a couple of pieces of advice that you would give a quality professional that you could offer from the learnings that you took away from your project?
Well, I think the main learning that we had was that the basic tools for the possible root cause generation in the DMAIC process are limited to the knowledge of the team. So that you need to be aware of that, because if the root cause is out of the knowledge of the team, you are not going to find it, and that's what it happens to us. We tried many different things to find the root cause, but we were not able at the beginning because the knowledge was not in the team, and we start to look for when we start doing a research for the technologies, different technologies that we were using. That's when we start finding different possible root causes, and then that was the way that we find the final root cause. Also, we integrate a lean tool that is the Gemba, and it worked perfectly, because what we did was to check, to observe the failures that we were receiving back from the customers, and there was the answer. But I mean, it was just a simple exercise of looking, but really looking for something that you have previously researched, you have previously learned, and that was the way we started identifying root causes that lead us to the real root cause.
Excellent. And is this your first year participating in the Team Excellence Award process?
No, it's well, it's second time for Francisco and the first time for the rest of us. And
And why did you choose to participate in the International Team Excellence Award process?
well, for me, the Team Excellence framework has something different, has an extra to the, for example, the DMAIC process. The Team Excellence framework is a combination of solution and methodology with Team Excellence work. So I think that there's just the solution methodology, the problem solution methodology needs something else to work. And I think the teamwork, the excellence teamwork that are included in the Team Excellence framework, it's key, and it's very important to include everybody that has interest in your project and interest in the potential solution of the problem.